Aisha, how is the weather in the affected districts of the state, and how is the relief and restoration work progressing?
Yes, Munmun, the government is now taken war footing, the rescue and rehabilitation process on war footing, and the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Chandrababu Naidu, is camping at Visakhapatnam, and he has taken aerial survey today to assess the damage caused in this region.
Right, we also understand the Prime Minister will be carrying out an aerial survey tomorrow of Visakhapatnam. He will be carrying out a first-hand assessment of the state. What is the kind of help which the centre has assured the state, and the kind of help which the state has also sought from states like Tamil Nadu and Karnataka? Can you hear me?
Yes, right now Chandrababu Naidu has appealed to the centre asking for an immediate relief of about 2,000 crore rupees, which he would require to reset the life and the infrastructure at Visakhapatnam and the neighbouring districts. So this is the immediate priority that the Chief Minister thinks, and he has appealed to the central government, and the government has assured him every help and every possible fund that he would require for reconstruction of Visakhapatnam and Srikakulam and the other districts, and the total damage is likely to be around 10,000 crores. So therefore, a clear picture will emerge very soon once the Chief Minister and the other officials sit together, and also tomorrow when the Prime Minister Narendra Modi takes the aerial survey, another picture will emerge, and then the centre will come out with more aid to the state. And this is probably the first time in past 40 years that Visakhapatnam has seen this kind of devastation because of this cyclone, and Visakhapatnam now almost resembles a ghost town. So it's a big challenge before the government to reconstruct this town, and also the state government is looking at the centre. Remember, it's a new residual state after the state was bifurcated. So there will be a requirement of funds, and the centre will have to come forward to help the state, for which the Prime Minister has already assured Chandrababu Naidu that he would do all he can from the centre to help rebuild Visakhapatnam and the neighbouring districts.
All right. Thank you so much, Aisha, for giving us that update.